Okay, hey guys, a little bit of a different uh, setup, I guess you could say. I wanted to show off my new dress, or should I do that? So, I just wanted to have a mirror shot, or however you want to do it, but I will be drawing outfits of the day. Um, so, I'm really excited for this video. I've been wanting to do this for a while now. Excuse the mess over here, my sketchbook and everything like that. But this is a first time in a while since I had a dress like this, and I'm really excited and just want to draw this out. Trying to think either traditional, and then also my hair is fixed up a little bit. Um, so yeah, I'm thinking of doing it in Procreate. I'm not sure how I'm gonna go about this video quite yet, but I just wanted to show my dress, but it does have flowers on it, and I would be wearing shoes with it right now, but I don't want to feel like grabbing them. But yeah, so if you guys have any questions, and if you are new to my channel, I do art and cartoons, and also this dress is from Kohl's, so in case you're wondering. So yeah, go ahead and get started with today's video. A little different setup today. So it's in Procreate. So yeah, anyways, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below. Turn your notification bell on so you won't miss the video. And continue watching. Okay, hey guys. So I'm really excited for today's video because I've always wanted to make sketchbook spreads, and I know I've done that before, and I've done several videos on that, but I really want to make them a little bit nicer, because if you've been with me on my channel before, you know that my sketchbooks can be junky, they can be messy and chaotic as possible. Well, turn the tables a little bit today. I'm going to show you how to make nicer sketchbooks. And the sort, so I'm going to show you 2 pages. One we'll do them together, and then another one I did off camera. So one of them I was like, okay, I'm going to choose a topic, and it just so happens that I've been filming this video for a while now, and I got this new dress a couple of days ago, and I really want to highlight that in today's video. So if I put that intro in this video, that's why. But I've been really excited about it, and I was like, you know what, I'm going to draw my persona with that, with my dress on. So that's what this video is coming from. So I did a little about the artist because there's some new people on the channel who might not know who I am, and I've been seeing some new faces. So thank you guys for subscribing and everything like that, and I am so excited for today's video and to get to know you guys a little bit better, and you guys can get to know me. So I did a little about the artist page in my sketchbook. Now the number one tip that you want to have your sketchbook a little bit nicer is to add writing to it, but not just any kind of writing. I mean, you can add any kind of writing if you want to. But write about your process, write about your drawings, or write about, like, say, you're doing, like, a study of elephants. You can go online and write down the facts about the elephants. You can write down the type of flowers also as well. I am doing mermaid this year, so I'm going to be talking about mermaid plants, and I'm going to be drawing fish and mermaids and baseball fish. Now, how I can go about it to relate back to this topic, this sketchbook is going to be for my mermaid sketchbook, and I'm going to write down list of facts and everything I can learn about the fish, and depending on the mood that day, if I just want to get a drawing done, I'm not going to put pressure on me to actually doing it, and that being said, I came up with this layout here. Now also I want to show you an example of another page that I had done about the nose. And The reason I chose the nose because I need practice on that, and I wanted to get a little bit better. So I kind of did a little bit of layout of a. I don't know why it looks so dark in camera. Sorry, guys. But I've been doing a layout on the nose. So that was a lot of fun. I did facts and things like that. Like you can have arrows pointing to whenever you're drawing. You can have frames around the boxes. Now, all of this, how I learned this, and it was based on Skillshare class. This video is not sponsored by any means, but I just wanted to show some highlights. Now, whenever I used to journal or anything like that, I would journal about my day and everything. This just gives another insight to my process. Big guy there, but it gives another insight to my process and or something else I can write about. So, with that being said, guys, go ahead, subscribe down below to my videos. My channel. Sorry. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And thank you for watching. I hope you guys have a fantastic day. Feels good to be getting back to YouTube, and I hope I am able to make more videos. My tripod stand broke on me for good, and I'm using my easel right now to prop it up. So yeah. So anyways, beyond that, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below. Turn your notification bell on so you won't miss the video. But let's get started with today's video. Okay, hey guys, and welcome to this part of the video. Now, with this being said, the reason why it is self-absorbed and I wanted to make it about the artist is because a couple of things. One, we have new subscribers on the channel, so I want to welcome everyone to the channel. I've seen you guys subscribing, and that's awesome, and they might not know who I am. And if you've been with me for a while and still don't know who I am, this video is for you. So that's why I'm also making it, and I just so happen to get this dress at the same time, so that's why I make it. But if you guys are new to my channel, I am Anna. Welcome, everyone. I do cartoon drawings and realistic drawings. I'm doing this ink challenge right now that I'm not really happy with. I'm getting burned out on that. That's for another video. But for sketchbook tips and how to keep your sketchbook organized, neat, however you want to put it. There's a time where you want your sketchbook to be messy and not perfect. If you want to make it clean and, I guess, like, I don't know how you put it, but if you want it to be interesting, this video is for you. So, in high school, I was in yearbook, and I was taking a Skillshare class, fast forward, I was taking a Skillshare class tonight, and I was talking about, things like composition and layout, and that's where the yearbook comes in. When I brought that up, it's because the layouts and the interviews and everything, and, this just screams happiness to me because, I've been looking for a way to document my process as well as writing things down in specific layouts. In college, fast forward a little bit, I was a graphic design major. I didn't finish college, but I was close enough to declare it. So, yeah. So, anyways, back to the drawings and page here. So, I wanted to make it a little bit fun and get back into cartoons again. Something simple, something easy, and just to have fun. One of the goals in this sketchbook is to have fun with the art and not feel too pressured, not to get burned out and be too hard on myself. Because I was not honestly having fun with the ink challenge that I was doing, and I was losing my touch with color, and I just want to get back into cartoons again. So there's going to be lots of watercolor drawings and paintings again, Procreate drawings, and all the sorts. Now, I'm not saying doing the ink challenge. It was a challenge because I couldn't finish it, and I'm thinking of leaving it. So this is my little announcement for that. But back to the sketchbook tips. So number one, you want to include writing in your sketchbook. You can lay it out however you want to. You can have quotes. You can have anything, painting, depending on the type of layout you want to do for your sketchbook. Depends on the paper that you have, because this is Canson Economics Media, in case you guys are interested in what sketchbook I'm using. There is a Strathmore Canson Mixed Media, which is the upper scale of the kind of sketchbook. It's hardbound, a little bit more expensive. I do have one of those, but I wanted to show you guys that you can also do spreads and the sketchbook, even though this is only one page. I only did that to save time, because I can easily do that in a part 2 video on sketchbook spread. But this is the page and what a page looks like and these types of sketchbooks. So guys, that's all I have for you today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below. Turn the notification bell on. Thank you for watching. Bye guys.